What are your salary expectations? This interview question can actually be a turning point in your interview. No matter how well your interview goes, if you're not answering this question in the most appropriate manner, you could actually land up messing your entire interview. A big hello everyone, I am Nishu Tripathi, a recruitment specialist and mentor. Let me give you a few tips on how you can answer this question in the most appropriate way. In this video, I will also give you some sample answers on how you could best approach this question. What exactly do the interviewers want to know when they are asking this question to you? As a job seeker, they want to know whether you have actually researched about the range of the salary which this particular job offers. They also want to know what are your expectations, how much do you actually value yourself. And the most important point that they want to see is whether they can afford you or they cannot. So hence, once again, answering this in a very appropriate manner will be the best way that you can get this job offer. Let me also tell you that there is nothing known as a most appropriate answer for this particular question. However, as job seekers, what we can do is that we ensure that we answer this question in such a manner which is most acceptable to HRs of the organization. Let me also tell you one important tip. You should have researched about the salary range that the company is offering for this specific position that you have applied for. This will help you to give a more suitable answer for this question on what are your salary expectations. This is also particularly important because if your salary range that you answer is very low, you may land up losing the job. Or if your salary expectations are way too high compared to what the company would like to offer, you will again not get this particular job. Hence, researching about the range is very important well in advance. In certain cases, the companies may want the job seekers to inform well in advance, even before the interview, about their salary expectations. Here, the companies again want to understand what the job seeker is looking at and whether it is worthwhile to even take the interview. Now, what as a job seeker should you do? You should have already researched, and based on your research, you should write a range of a salary expectation. For example, if the company is offering 10 to 15 lakhs of salary for that particular position, you could write expectation between 13 to 15 lakhs. The second option is you could also leave it open and write negotiable. Also, remember that in such a case, you should never write one specific salary. Here, the HR of the organization gets a feeling that you are unwilling to budge from that specific salary that you have quoted, and you will not be shortlisted for the interview. Now let's take an example of how we could answer this question. My salary range is flexible. However, I'm sure you would consider my decade of experience, my past salary, as well as my award-winning sales that I have got to my previous organization. Once we discuss my job responsibilities, I am very flexible to discuss the salary that you'd like to offer. Now, in this answer, we have not only very subtly told the interviewer what we are worth, but we've also told him that we are flexible and open to discussing and negotiating what they would like to offer. Now let's look at another way on how we could answer this question. My salary range is flexible and I do possess the relevant experience and skills which are required for this particular job, which makes my candidature strong. However, I would love to discuss my job responsibilities for this particular position and am open to discussing a range which could be most appropriate for this particular position. Let's take another example of how we could answer this question. In case you would like to mention a specific range of salary, this is how you would answer this question. I would like to understand from you what exactly would my job responsibilities be in this particular position during the course of this interview. I also understand that this particular position is offered an X to Y range in our region. Based on my skills and based on my expertise and my qualifications, I believe that I could be offered anything between X to Y range. With this answer, we have actually given the interviewer an impression that we have researched about what this job position could offer. By giving a range between X and Y, we are also leaving discussions, negotiations possible. Now, one last tip. Remember to rehearse on how you would answer this question before you actually go for your job interview. Remember, the key to every answer and to success in a job interview is practicing your answers well in advance before you go there. I hope that these tips are going to help you. Once again, this is Nishu Tripathi. I'm a recruitment consultant and mentor. In case you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the button below. Give me a thumbs up and I would love to hear comments from you as well. Take care and I will see you again. Bye-bye.